Hello and welcome back to the AutoCAD course. In today's lesson, we'll be going over through the rotate function here in the modifying object section. So without further ado, let's get into it. So rotating is pretty much like copying or moving. All you have to do, like the modifying actually section is all the same. All you have to do is pretty same and pretty basic. All you have to do right now is select the things you would like to rotate. I'll select this, for example. Let me just zoom out here. I've zoomed out too much, so let us zoom out here and let us choose rotate. Let us choose a base point here, and we'll be able to rotate off this base point. Now let's rotate this 90 degrees. So now we could address a problem as well. So let's go back, maybe choose all of our objects, and then if we try to rotate back, select this base option, you can see that there's kind of problem that I could actually go back and just set it here, but let me show you a better example in this case. So let's choose all elements. Let's choose rotate again, choose the base point and choose here. So right now, if I go back and I try, let me select everything with Control A and go back to rotate, I'll find this kind of difficulty that I don't know if this is 90 degrees or not. So all you have to do here, if you can go down and see in the comment section, we have a copy or reference. So I'll click just R and now I'll be able to set a reference point. So wait, let me go back, rotate, and I'll choose a base option as we said. And we have this problem right here is that we can't decide how is this object here. So all you have to do is click reference. So here reference, as you can see, and we will be able to choose a line of reference from this line to this line. And now we are able to go back to our initial position. That was it for rotating. I hope to see you in another lesson.